OpenAI board rejects Elon Musk-led $97 billion purchase offer. New York CNN, OpenAI's board of directors, has formally rejected a $97.4 billion bid by Elon Musk and other investors to purchase the company. Do you want to make this type of video? Let's go. First, create a new composition in After Effects. Then, import a newspaper image into your project and place it in the timeline. Select the Pen tool G and trace all the important lines on the newspaper by drawing paths. Make sure you are creating shape layers, not masks. Go to the shape layer greater than contents and add trim paths. Open the trim path settings and animate the end value from 0% to 100% to create a drawing effect. After that, copy the trim paths animation and paste it onto all the other shape layers, adjusting their timing for a smooth transition. Next, select all the shape layers and pre-compose them. Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Make the pre-comp 3D by enabling the 3D switch and open all keyframe options. Select all keyframes and adjust the X, Y, and Z positions to create the desired animation effect. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share.